This is the Oral-B Pro 300 electric toothbrush, and this is excellent, especially for my family, to get a very thorough but gentle clean for our gums and teeth. The handle's very comfortable to grip, and with a rubberized area, there is a power button right in the center of the handle. Once you turn it on, the little brush head starts spinning and vibrating. The nylon bristles are soft but can really get into those little nooks and crannies inside your mouth. Also, I like this toothbrush because it's easy to reach the very back of the mouth to ensure even the molars get a good clean. And it does a great job covering all the teeth in the front as well. It even has a built-in 2-minute timer so you know exactly how long you need to brush to get a thorough clean. And the bonus is this toothbrush is also perfect and gentle enough not just for teeth, but also to clean your retainer as well. And then when you're done, just power off the toothbrush and put it back onto the base to charge. We like to keep ours plugged in so it's always charged up. And you can also replace the brush heads when they start to get worn out.